In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your Google Ads account to your YouTube channel in 2020, and we'll do it in just 5 minutes. This step-by-step guide will help you seamlessly connect these two powerful tools to enhance your online advertising efforts. So let's get started by heading over to Google Ads. Simply open up your web browser and type in the URL for Google Ads. Once you're there, you'll want to look towards the top right corner where you'll see the sign in button. Go ahead and click on that. Now, after you've successfully signed in, you'll find yourself on the Google Ads homepage. This is the central hub for all your advertising activities and offers a comprehensive overview of your account. From here, let's move on to the next step, which involves navigating to the Tools section. You'll find the Tools option at the top of the page. Give it a click to open a drop-down menu full of helpful features. Among the options in this menu, you'll want to select the Data Manager. This feature keeps all your data organized and accessible, making it a critical part of this process. Within Data Manager, you'll see various tabs or options listed. The one we're interested in for today is labeled YouTube, so go ahead and click on it. By selecting YouTube, you're now in the section where you can officially link your YouTube channel with your Google Ads account. This link is vital because it allows for a seamless flow of information and communication between the two platforms, ensuring your advertisements run as efficiently as possible. If you've already navigated this far, give yourself a pat on the back. You're almost done. Once the YouTube section is open, you'll see an interface that enables you to input your YouTube channel credentials. Follow any on-screen instructions to ensure you've linked the correct channel. Confirm all details before submitting the request to avoid any mistakes. And there you have it, you've successfully linked your Google Ads account to your YouTube channel. This connection will help target specific audiences, more effectively measure your advertising performance, and optimize future campaigns to align with viewer engagement. Remember, keeping these platforms connected is essential for maximizing your reach and efficiency in the ever-evolving digital advertising landscape. Thank you for following along with me today. I hope you found this video helpful and straightforward. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to leave a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Remember to like this video for more easy guides and tips on optimizing your digital marketing strategy. Until next time, take care and happy advertising.